In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize a YouTube video with Perplexity. By the end, you'll be able to turn any long video into clear, skimmable takeaways in just a few seconds using a single prompt and the video's link. First, open your browser and head to Perplexity at Perplexity AI. You can use it right from the homepage, so there's nothing extra you need to set up for a quick summary. Keep the YouTube video you want to summarize open in another tab, so its link is ready to paste. Next, click into the search box on Perplexity and type a direct instruction. A simple line like "summarize this video" works, but adding a bit of context helps it deliver exactly what you need. For example, you might write, "Summarize this video focusing on the main arguments and the conclusion." If you care about certain details, include them in the same instruction, such as asking for key takeaways, action items mentioned, or notable statistics. Right after your instruction, paste the YouTube link. You can copy it from your browser's address bar on the video page, or use the share button on YouTube to copy the URL. Make sure it's the direct link to the video rather than a playlist, and remove any timestamp parameters if you want a full video summary rather than starting midway. Keeping your instruction clear and concise, followed by the link, gives Perplexity the best signal about your intent. Finally, click Submit. Perplexity will fetch the page, analyze the content, and generate a concise overview. Give it a moment to process. The result usually appears quickly. You'll typically see an organized set of points or a short paragraph capturing the central ideas, arguments, and any conclusions from the video. That's all there is to it. If the result feels too general, adjust your original wording next time by specifying length or emphasis, things like brief overview, high-level summary, or focus on steps and examples. The core flow remains the same: instruction, link, submit. A few practical tips help with accuracy. Choose videos with clear titles and descriptions when possible, as that context can improve the summary. Official uploads often provide better metadata than re-uploads. Very new videos might take a moment to become fully accessible, so a quick retry can help. To recap in one line, go to perplexity.ai, tell it how you want the summary framed, paste the YouTube link, and hit submit. In seconds, you'll have a clean summary you can skim, save, or use to decide whether the full video is worth your time.